If you think your job is safe just because you went to college for 4 years, oh boy, you're in for a massive reality check. Right now, as you're listening to this, a bunch of nerds in Silicon Valley are coding an AI tool that can do your entire 9-to-5 job in about 4 seconds. And the worst part, it doesn't complain, it doesn't ask for a raise, and it definitely doesn't steal office supplies. In the next 3 years, 10 massive industries are about to get absolutely wiped out. And if your job is on this list, well, you might want to start learning how to build wooden furniture. Here are 10 jobs AI is about to brutally murder. Number 1, entry-level software developers. Remember when everyone said, just learn to code, bro? Yeah, that aged like milk. AI now writes, debugs, and deploys clean code in seconds. Junior devs who spent 4 years learning Python just to fix syntax errors? Congratulations, you're now a prompt engineer supervisor. Number 2, basic data entry and administrative assistance. If your daily job consists of copy-pasting numbers from Excel sheets to PDF files, I have bad news. AI agents don't get tired. They don't take 45-minute coffee breaks, and they don't accidentally reply all to a company-wide email with a meme. You're replaced. Next. Number 3, customer service representatives, Tier 1. We've all been there. Your call is very important to us. Please hold. No, it wasn't. But now, AI voice models sound so disturbingly human that you won't even realize you're arguing with a computer algorithm about your lost Amazon package. Number 4, stock illustrators and graphic designers. Midjourney and Flux just killed the traditional stock photo industry. Need a picture of a golden retriever riding a skateboard in space? Boom. Done in 3 seconds. If your graphic design career relies purely on making basic social media banners, it's time to update your LinkedIn. Number 5, basic copywriters and content creators. If you write SEO articles like Top 5 Reasons to Drink Water, AI wiped you out 6 months ago. Sure, human writers are still better for deep stories, but for generic blog posts, corporate CFOs would rather pay $20 a month for ChatGPT than pay a freelancer $50 an hour. Sad, but true. Number 6, translators and interpreters. Real-time AI translation is getting scarily good. It doesn't just translate words, it matches tone, accent, and cultural slang instantaneously, unless you're translating ancient Latin manuscripts or top-secret diplomatic meetings. Human translators are becoming a luxury of the past. Number 7, telemarketers. Honestly, nobody's going to miss this one. AI can now cold call 10,000 people at once, handle rejection without crying in the bathroom, and pitch products in 50 different languages. Spooky? Yes. Efficient? Absolutely. Number 8, junior financial analysts. Crunching spreadsheets, predicting market trends, and building financial models used to take a team of Ivy League grads weeks. Now, an AI fed with historical market data can spit out a full risk assessment report before your morning coffee gets cold. Number 9, proofreaders and editors. Grammarly was just the beginning. Today's AI doesn't just fix your typos, it restructures your tone, fixes your logic, and fact-checks your references simultaneously. RIP to the red pen industry. And finally, number 10, irony at its finest, voiceover artists. Yes, even the voice you're listening to right now could be an AI clone generated in a few clicks. If a machine can imitate human emotion, cadence, and sarcasm this well, traditional narration studios are in serious trouble. Look, AI isn't going to destroy the world tomorrow, but the job market is shifting faster than ever. The key isn't to panic. It's to learn how to use these tools before someone who uses them replaces you. Is your job on this list? Or do you think you're completely AI-proof? Drop a comment below and let's argue about it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe before an AI algorithm replaces this channel too. See you in the next one.